students, in our previous lecture we have studied about what are decimal numbers and how to convert fractions into decimals. Now in this session we can see here the decimal numbers also have two types. One is terminating decimals, another one is non-terminating decimals. And non-terminating again having two kinds. One is repeating and rational, other one is non-repeating and irrational. So what are terminating and non-terminating? Very simple and very easy. Terminating decimals are decimals that contain a finite number of digits after the decimal point. That means when you divide a fraction and you get a decimal number, if you have a finite digit of number or limited number of digits after this decimal point, as you can see in this example 36.8, 8 is a limited number or finite number, so this is a terminating decimal. 0.125 also a terminating decimal because these are the finite number of digits, limited number of digits after this decimal point, so these are also terminating decimal. And what are non-terminating decimals or repeating and non-repeating decimals? The simple difference is that here you have a limited number of digits, finite number of digits after decimal point, and in non-terminating you have infinite number of digits. Repeating decimals or non-terminating decimals are decimals that contains a infinite number of digits after decimal point. Here you can see 0.333 and so on. That means here you have more threes. They are not ended very closely. That means they are unlimited number of digits or infinite number of digits after this decimal point. And here you can see 7.689689. So now the repeated digits can be same, only one digit, and repeated numbers can be in pairs or in triplets. That you can see here 689, 689, and again next it will give us 689 also. So these kind of decimals are repeating decimals or non-terminating decimal. Repeating decimal is a kind of non-terminating. And what is non-repeating decimal? That are while expressing a fraction into a decimal by the division method, if division process continues indefinitely and a zero remainder is never obtained, then such a decimal is called non-terminating or non-repeating decimals. And what is difference in repeating and non-repeating? Repeating means we have a single digit or we have a pair or we have a triplet numbers of digits after the decimal point in repeated term, but in non-repeating means the digits are infinite but they are not a single digit, or they are not a pair, or they are not a triplet numbers. They are repeating different numbers endlessly, but it never gives you a zero remainder. So that is non-terminating decimals. Here are some of the examples. A decimal that contains a limited number of digits are terminating decimals. Numbers do not repeat forever. The fraction you will get a number, a decimal number with limited number of digits after this decimal point. These are the examples of terminating decimals and non-examples. These are not the examples of terminating decimals. You can see here is a pattern. Here is a pair that is repeated again and again, and so on. Here you can see here is a number that is repeated, and so on. Examples of terminating, these are the examples of non-terminating decimals. Now non-terminating decimals, also called recurring decimals. Recurring, non-recurring, recurring and non-terminating are same thing. Here are some of the examples. 2 by 3, when you divide it to 2 by 3 you will get 0.6666 and so on. And repeated digits are represented by a dot or a bar on top of it. If you have a number, single number is on repeated, you can put that digit with a bar. And if you have a pattern or if you have a pair with repeated digit, you can write that pair one time and put a bar on it. It shows it is repeated and recurring decimal. Here you can see we get 1.8333 and so on. So here only 3 is repeated, so you can see you put bar on only upon 3, not on 8, because 8 is not a repeated. So it is also a recurring decimal and repeated decimal. Here we have non-recurring decimals and non-repeating decimals. Non-repeating decimals are that kind of decimal which we have infinite number of digits after decimal point, but they are not repeated any a single number or any specific number. They gives us random numbers again and again and again, so on. So here 2 under root is a irrational number or non-recurring decimals. 3 under root also and pi is also are irrational numbers. The in the non-repeated or non-recurring decimal we have irrational numbers in answers. We're going to learn how to convert decimals to fractions. Very simple. I told you before about it. Here we have a decimal number 0.15. Step by step, first of all create the top, create the numerator. 0.15 becomes 15 and then create the bottom. Here you have 2 digits, so you can put in place of 0.1, and you have 2 digits after the point, so you should put 2 zeros after 1, so it will becomes 15 over 100. Now reduce the fraction, that, or you can say you must write it in the lowest form. So you can divide 15 by 5 and 100 by 5 also, so it will becomes 3 over 20. 3 over 20 is the lowest form of 15 over 100. Here is another example. 0.8, in place of point we put 1, and we know after point we have 1 digit, so we put only 1 zero after it, so it will become 8 over 10. And when you divide 8 by 2 and 10 also by 2, it becomes 4 over 5. Add the decimal 0.35 as fraction. Very easy and simple. Put 1 in place of point, and we have 2 digits after point, so we put 2 zeros after point. It is 35 over 100. Express in lowest term. When you want to express in lowest form, we know that 35 is divided by 5 and 100 is also divided by 5, so you get 7 over 10. Here the example 0.7. Write 0.7 as fraction, so put 1 in place of this point, and here we have 1 digit after decimal, so here we put only 1 0. 7 over 10, so this is 7 over 10 is also a lowest term, because both numbers can't be divided on any single number.